I'm Ben from Cambridge Audio. We're known for making an awesome range of hi-fi products, but today I'm here to tell you how our clever digital preamplifiers work. There are usually two parts to an amplifier: the part that controls volume and input selection, the preamp, and the part that actually drives your speakers, the power amp. An analog preamp, like our 851E, has analog audio inputs such as RCA or XLR for music sources which have a fixed analog output, like a CD player or turntable. Whereas a digital preamp, like our 851D or CXN, usually combines DAC functionality with digital inputs such as optical and coaxial for music sources which have a digital output, like the CXC. Both types of preamp then provide an analog audio signal to the power amp, which in turn drives your speakers. Normally, a source product like a music streamer needs to be connected to a preamp or integrated amp because its audio output is fixed at one level. But in our DACs and digital music players, like the 851D, the CXN, 851N and StreamMagic 6, we build in an optional digital preamplifier. By activating the digital preamplifier inside the player, the selector knob also becomes a volume knob, so the analog output becomes variable. In other words, the player now has built-in volume control. This means it can be connected directly to a power amp like the 851W without the need to go through an additional analog preamp. Not only does this simplify the system, but it also saves the cost of an analog preamp because you no longer need one. This means you can maximize the rest of your system with great speakers and cabling. There's also an important benefit for sound quality too. With the traditional setup, the player is connected to an analog preamp, which in turn is connected to a power amp. These multiple analog connections create a chain of products which are all subject to analog signal degradation, which damages sound quality. By using a digital preamp built into the player, we're using the simplest signal path with no lengthy chain of products, minimizing any signal degradation and giving the best possible sound. Most digital preamps from other manufacturers simply aren't good enough to be able to do this. To achieve volume control, usually a digital preamp compresses the digital audio signal. This is known as bit reduction. It works, but it's certainly not hi-fi quality because the audio signal is being compressed and data is being thrown away. But at Cambridge Audio, we're cleverer than that, so we do not do this. Instead, our digital preamps are driven by a powerful digital signal processor, or DSP. The volume level is fully controlled by this DSP, so the audio signal is not compressed and no data is thrown away. This means that the audio signal remains at full resolution and sounds just as the artist intended. Awesome. We use our fantastic DSP-driven digital volume control in many products across our range, including the CX and 851 series. In our network music players, having the built-in digital volume control also means that the volume can be fully controlled by the Cambridge Connect app.